Hi, I'm Grant from Stock Gardens, and we're here in one of our customer gardens where we actually created a full design and build project. So I'm now going to take you around the garden, show you some of the key aspects that were important to the client and was important to the design brief that we were given. So with this project, the customer had some clear expectations that they wanted to achieve. They wanted a large outdoor entertaining area that they could have barbecues and friends round as a real sociable space. But what was really important to them was actually having an area they could house a hot tub like you see behind me, and that hot tub needed to be able to be used all year round. So one of the key aspects for that was actually having a roof structure that gave them shelter from the rain, and again they could use that throughout the winter months. We had a couple of challenges on the project because we wanted the hot tub to be partially sunken into the paving area, and that meant in turn that we had to look at a change of materials. So as you can actually see here, we've used a composite millboard material that has enabled us to lower the hot tub further down, but also give us access to all the maintenance panels that you have in a hot tub. So that was really important that we have that clear access. Moving across over here, you'll see that we used some premium porcelain paving that is actually almost of a wood timber effect, so that the two surfaces from the composite decking across to this surface married up. And throughout the whole platform area, we've used green oak timber to create the screening to the rear and the posts and the top structure. And we were keen to put the whole dining space on a platform, so it elevated it off the garden surface level and gave that bit more purpose to the whole structure. As with any garden landscape build, lighting can be a really important aspect of the design and the overall finish. In this scenario, we actually have some up-down lighters mounted onto the oak posts, which give both functional and mood lighting to the whole area. We do actually have lighting strategically placed in the beds, so that at night all of the key shrubs and plants are uplit, and again create that sense of mood lighting and forming the shape and design of the garden within that. Again, very important in every garden is obviously the overall planting. Our planting team came in at the end of the project to complete this. The concept was quite contemporary and minimalistic, but equally having year-round interest and colour. So we paid particular attention to having the structure of the buxus hedging and the lavender. And around the garden we've got this very formal yew evergreen hedging that creates a real year-round structure and sense of occasion, and it also frames the paths quite nicely. We have these platforms built into each bed that obviously we can house the pots on, and then we can change the planting in the pots seasonally to create best interest in colour.